what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. I am so excited for this video because we got a couple things going on here. So first of all, this is kind of acting as an updated foundation routine video for me as well, because it's been a hot second and since I've shown you guys how I do my foundation and my base makeup. I usually just jump right in with the eye makeup. So this kind of shows you guys a little bit of how I've been doing my makeup recently, so you can catch up and try something new if you want. And we're also doing my Christmas Day tutorial, so it's so easy, guys. It's just a couple of steps, like 2 different eyeshadows. It's so simple, and it's really quick as well, so you can kind of just throw it on before you open presents on Tuesday. And I hope that you guys enjoy it. So if you want to see how I do my foundation and how to get this really simple Christmas Day look, please keep watching. We are, of course, starting with our face. So I have the 2 foundations that I've been so loving lately, and they're actually going to be in this month's monthly obsession, so stay tuned for that. But this is the combination that I've been wearing almost every day. It's been so great for winter, and I feel like it doesn't settle in my fine lines. It's just really, really nice. So the combo is my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in L30 and the Flesh foundation stick in 05 Cream Fraiche. I didn't pronounce that right, but it's their number 5. It's pretty light. So I start off just dabbing my cheeks. And then I go in with the stick foundation, get the bottom of my jawline, under my eyes, center of my forehead, down my nose, and the center of my chin. Okay, so once that's blended into your face, and you can see it looks so nice. It's really a natural finish. I wouldn't say it's matte, I wouldn't say it's dewy, but it's just natural, which looks really, really nice, especially in the winter because it's not drying my skin out, but it's not overly oily looking as well. Next, I have my concealer, and I have been really into the Naked Skin concealer, which used to be like my holy grail, and then I went away from it for a while, and now I'm back. So I am in the color Fair Neutral. I just like to do the center of my face with this. Okay, and I just feel like that brightens up the center of my face, which is going to make contouring and bronzing really easy later on. Okay, so next, just to set our face just a little bit, I have my Laura Geller Baked Balance and Glow Illuminating Foundation in Porcelain, and I just like to dust that. It's definitely not a matte powder. It is very illuminating, and it has a little bit of a pearl sheen to it, which I personally really, really like. I think it makes you look healthy. This is my Laura Geller Beach Matte Baked Hydrating Bronzer. I'm just gonna add it to my cheeks. I don't like to over bronze in the winter, but I do like to add just a little bit of that color back to my face. And then we're gonna add blush. So I am using my Naked Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette. And I just really like how pretty that blush shade is. It's not nearly as bright as it looks in the pan. It's a little rosier than the other shades I've been using lately, which I think is pretty for December. I just think it looks so pretty. Okay, so now I am going to hop off. I'm going to do my brows because they just take a long time. They're boring, so you don't need to watch that. But I'll be right back, and then we will get on with our eyes. Okay, we are back in action. I have my brows on, which is what's important here. So now my face feels like it's complete. And we can get started on the eye makeup. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit and then we will roll right into this. All right, now you can actually see what I'm doing, which is exciting. Sure, it comes to no surprise for those of you who watch my channel a lot. I'm going to be using my Too Faced chocolate bar, the gold, chocolate gold. One day I might find a palette that I use as much as this, but I doubt it. Such a favorite. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the Rollin' In dough, put it all over my lid. You guys know the drill. This look is not eyeshadow focused at all, so this part will be really, really quick. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy It Cosmetics brush and the color So Bougie, put it in my crease. I'm gonna put it a little bit under my eye as well. Okay, that was really easy, and that's all that we're doing for eyeshadow. So, put your eyeshadow palette away. I am, however, going to put a little bit of the highlighter shade that I used on my cheeks, which is the Balm Mary Luminizer, in my inner corner and at my brow bone. That way we just have a little bit of brightness there, and I'm going to take my finger and also just put this shade just all over my lid, right underneath where we have that other brown shade. And basically that's just going to brighten our eyes up just a little bit, and that's all we're doing for eyeshadow. Moving right along, we are going to do our eyeliner, which is like a really big part of this look. So I am using my Pixie by Petra Black Liquid Liner. Looks like this, and I am going to do wings. It's such a good wing. Okay, let's try to make the other one even. It's good enough. They're sisters, not twins, but we're gonna roll with it. So that was just throwing our wings on here. And so now the big part of this look and kind of what's going to bring this, what's gonna bring the holiday into this look is the glitter liner. So I am using my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. It's just their gold shade. It's just their gold shade, so any classic gold glitter liner will work here. So I'm gonna top the from about the center of my wing all the way out. And then I'm going to put some right in the inner corner underneath my eye as well. Now we have that glitter, we are going to let it dry. I'm going to do 2 layers, so I'm going to toss another layer over here. Okay, so once those are pretty even, you'll want to just let them dry, and it does take a few seconds for that to dry. I like to fan it a little bit, it speeds it up, but if you open your eyes before it's dry, it will transfer onto your lid. So I would just let it sit there for a second and then continue. All right, once that's dry, I'm gonna do it now underneath the first part of my inner corner, but not go all the way across. Okay, once your gold glitter is on there, you're gonna wanna let it dry, and then we are going to put on our lashes. So these are my Eyelure Luxe Silk lashes. They look really pretty. And they're kind of lighter, so they're not gonna cover up all of the gold glitter that's on our top lid. Because if I use too dark of lashes or too thick of lashes, it'll kind of just obscure what we've done on the lid anyways. So I wanna make sure you still see that glitter peeking through. Alright, so I went ahead and put these lashes on. Like I said, they're very minimal, they're very natural, but they really obviously add a lot to the look because they're longer than my natural lashes, so they just look more put together. I'm waiting for that glue to fully dry, and then I'm going to put a little bit more of that liner on top just to cover the glue line. And while we wait for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and throw on our lipsticks. So I wanted to do, instead of a cherry red like I did for the holiday party look, I wanted more of a deep blood red, which sounds kind of morbid, but that's the color that I was going for. So I went ahead and snagged my NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Cherry Skies, and then this Katy Perry CoverGirl Katy Cat gloss in Wine Feline, and it's just almost the exact color as the Cherry Skies, and so I thought it would be a really pretty gloss over top. So I'm going to go ahead and put this lipstick on now. I just love the way that that looks. I think it looks really classy. Did I lipstick on my teeth? Probably. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I actually think I'm gonna skip the gloss today because the suede has kind of this demi-matte, demi-shine. It's not super shiny, but it's not matte either. So I'm just gonna leave it because I think I'm gonna like the way that that looks. And this, guys, is the final Christmas Day look. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something new and cool today. maybe found an easier way to do your winged liner, maybe you're gonna try out some of this new foundation techniques. Just a lot of different stuff was incorporated into this video, so I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you found some Christmas Day inspiration. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments below, and I will definitely catch you guys next week. I'm gonna take a break next Monday because it's Christmas Eve, so I won't have a video Monday, but I will have one the following Thursday, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And let me know what you guys want to see next as well, and I will be sure to kind of throw that in my next couple videos, especially if it's something geared towards the new year as we end 2018 here. I'm not really that sad about it. I'm really excited about 2019. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts below, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys! And Merry Christmas!